Hello, welcome to this Rapid Profit Machine review and demo, and we're going to talk about how you can join for free, make money for free, and get free leads with the Rapid Profit Machine system. So first, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. Love to have you as a subscriber so you can keep up with new content that I'm putting out. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like as well. So let's jump on over. This is the Rapid Profit Machine sales page. It's not really a sales page because you're getting a free account, but this is where they explain it. James-Neville Taylor is the person who put this together, and you can get a free account set up. Now, they do have paid options, but we're not talking about those today. We're just going to talk about what you get as a free member. So you can click any of the green buttons as you go through the page. Certainly take your time, read up on it. You can see some different testimonials, some different proof, and anytime you see one of these buttons, go ahead and you can create your free account and get started. Once your account is, once you've created your free account, it's going to take you to this home page, and they have 5 very simple steps that you need to get set up so you can start earning commissions as a free member. Now, as a free member, you earn commissions at a 25% rate, which is not bad at all. And if you upgrade to a pro member, then your commissions increase to 50%. But start out for free, make some commissions, and then reinvest if you want to go that route. So you got a quick 2-minute intro video. Join the Facebook group. Lots of good information and support there. This is where you enter your Warrior Plus affiliate ID, so you can earn commission. So you'll be hard-coded so that anybody who purchases, you'll earn commissions from Warrior Plus. This is Builderall. Builderall is a system that you can use to make funnels, pages. It's got an email autoresponder, etc. And so you can enter your Builderall affiliate ID here. And then they're going to talk about traffic, and then finally going on to your next steps. Now, when you click your next steps, it is going to take you essentially to this training and product access. And so let me close this up. And so when you go into this training and product access, this is where you'll end up. And so start here, go through these videos, welcome video. Now, if you're using Builderall for your email, to collect email addresses and to send messages, then watch this video. If you're using Aweber, which is what I use, then watch this video. And don't be intimidated if you're not a very technical person. The great thing is, let me just pop this open so you can see, he has a video that walks you through exactly step by step what you need to do, how you can import your follow-up email series. So he's got a done for you follow-up email series that you can import, and he's got a checklist, and he walks you right through exactly how to do all of these things. So very easy, very step by step. Do not be intimidated. Now, as I mentioned, you get free traffic and free leads with Rapid Profit Machine. Now, let me just stop for a second. If you have any questions at all, this is a real text number up above. So feel free to text me if you have any questions. Leave comments below the video. And if you want to get started, the link is in the description box below the video. So how do you get your free traffic? 2 very simple, super easy steps. The first is you go to the Facebook group and you introduce yourself. Super easy, right? And basically he says, which makes sense, why should he send you free traffic if you're not willing to do a couple simple things? So very easy, no big deal. And then the second is to make a short form video. Now he talks about TikTok, but you can do it on Instagram, you can do it on Facebook. I did mine as a YouTube short. I don't use TikTok, right? But very easy to do. Post your video, make your intro post. This is on Facebook, and then you click on this and you'll enter in your Facebook post URL and your video URL, and once they verify that you made your intro post on Facebook and that you've made your free video, again, don't worry about TikTok, right? Do a YouTube short or an Instagram reel. So these are other options. Then once they verify that, they'll start sending you free traffic, free leads, which is pretty awesome. And we'll look at that in just a second. I'll show you it really does. They really do send you free stuff. This is RPM training. I definitely encourage you to watch this. It's really very good training. If you're not really sure how to do these things like, affiliate marketing and how to choose what to promote, how to do these things. This is good training. Some mindset training, how to get traffic from Facebook organically. So if you don't have money to spend on traffic, and you want to get free traffic, this is really, really good. How to use solo ads successfully, because this is another good way to get traffic to your opt-in pages, and then in some email marketing lessons. Now, the rest of these are paid. I did purchase this secret traffic sources, so you get some other really good traffic training. So that may be worth picking up. I think it's only $7. And then the Pro, and again, these are just other paid, but we're only talking about free things today with Rapid Profit Machine. So the next thing you get for free is some promo materials. So if you have, some things you want to use on your social media, they got some images that you can done for you. If you have a website, some things you can put on for banner ads, and then they have some email swipes that you can use as well. If you already have an existing email list, these might be really good to use to send out. The other thing you get for free again are the funnels. Let's talk about funnels first. So they give you some funnels. And capture page. So you get capture pages, which you can see they have right now 6 different options that you can send traffic to. This is where the free traffic goes. You can see they've sent 75 people to this, and it's converted about 1 out of 3 people opt in. 27 leads so far for free. And then they have a couple of VSL, video sales letters, so you can send people directly to these if you want. And again, your Warrior Plus ID is hard-coded, so if a sale is made, then you can earn a commission. So these are different things you can send people to. And then they have a webinar that you can send people to as well. So those are some funnels that are included. And then here are the leads. And so as you can see, I've gotten 39 total leads so far. And then over here, they let you know if they have converted into a member or not. And so as you can see, about 1 out of 4, I have 11 members, I believe, so 1 out of 4 convert into a member. And then you earn commissions. So that's what you get, all for free. So if you decide to click my link down below and go over and set up a free Rapid Profit Machine system now, you're going to get the easy setup system. You're going to get all the free training that we went over. You're going to get free leads, okay? You're going to get free promotional materials, and you're going to get the free funnels, the VSLs that are done for you, and the webinars, and you're going to get free email leads. So you really can't beat it. What you get is quite good as part of a free system. So if you have any questions at all, send me a text, again, up above, leave me a comment. Please like the video if you found this helpful, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thanks so much.